Good morning, students. Due to COVID crisis, we have started these online classes. Now today's topic is polynomials. Chapter is polynomials. Topic is remainder theorem. This remainder theorem has already stated in previous class as we start to do the sum. That's why again I start this remainder theorem. Let fx be a polynomial of degree 1 or more than 1 and let a be any real number when fx is divided by x minus a, then remainder is fa. Take this example. Here the polynomial is this one whose degree is 9, which is more than 1, and that polynomial is divided by x minus 2. So as it is divided by x minus 2, so x minus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to 2. So by remainder theorem, Px is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is P2 according to this one, as here it is divided by x minus a. Now put that 2 in place of x in this way. 2 to the power cube, that means you multiply 2 3 times, which gives you 8. Here is 2 square, that is equal to 4. So 4 into 2, 8. 3 into 2, 6 minus 1. Now simplify it, which gives you 9. So here the remainder is 9. Now go exercise. Find the remainder when Px is this one is divided by x plus 1. So x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1. So by remainder theorem, the remainder is p minus 1, as here is minus 1. See in remainder theorem, here is fa as it is divided by x minus a. Now put the value of x in that polynomial. Minus 1 to the power 3, that means you multiplied minus 1 3 times, which gives you minus 1. Here minus 1 power 2, that means you multiply minus 1 2 times, it gives you plus 1. Multiply with 3, that becomes plus 3. Multiply 3 with minus 1, which gives you minus 3 and plus 1. So plus 3 minus 3 becomes 0. Plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So here the remainder is 0. Another question, find the remainder when this polynomial whose degree is 3 is divided by x minus a. So x minus a equal to 0, then x equal to a. So by remainder theorem, the remainder is PA. So PA equal to, now you put the value A in place of x in the given polynomial. Now put A to the power cube minus A into A square by exponential by laws of exponent. Here is 1 and here is 2. So 1 plus 2 becomes 3 plus 6 into a, that becomes 6a minus a, plus a cube minus a cube becomes cancelled. 6a minus a, which gives you 5a. So 5a is the remainder of that polynomial. these two questions take as homework. The first question, find the remainder when px, that means polynomial is this one, divided by this linear polynomial. Say in all these cases, you follow the example and find the remainder. Question number 2, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of this polynomial. This polynomial is of degree 3 and this one is the linear polynomial. As the question is whether is this factor or not. In case of factor, the remainder must be 0. Suppose you take an example. So 4, 8, 4 2 8 becomes 0. That means 4 is the factor of 8 because the remainder is 0. In the same way, when you put the value of x in this polynomial, the polynomial becomes 0. Then the answer is correct.